Perfect. Yeah, I'm there. So, hello, guys. Hope everyone can see me and your browser. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Let me just make myself smaller. Add a display capture. Okay.
Hello, guys. Hope you all are doing great. So, here is day two where I am going to start talking about. Uh, I use Klenty and Lemlist for doing outreach to US and UK and India and like all different accounts which I handle. So, I was just doing the comparison and we are thinking of switching to Kently. So what happens in all those things? I'll show you a few interfaces and everything. Let's hop into this. I'll quickly share my screen and then we can talk in detail about all these things. And also, if you see over here, this is my air quality monitor where I check what is the air quality over here in Amravati, and it's good right now. So okay, I'll just hide this so that people don't get distracted. Okay, so let's get started. I'll set some context where basically everyone is trying to do US outbound, do cold emails, cold outreach. So what we do is we do multi-touch sequencing, and one of the thing which you can do using that is Lemlist, where we all started with, and then basically when I was working, I'm working at a SaaS company. Those people told me to use that, and then I started using that. So that's how my journey started into SaaS, and I was able to do good sales in that. I'll show you how the interface looks. I'll quickly change the screens. So yes, so here is the limb list. I have logged in already, and here you can see like all the leads which are there, how many are like opened and all those things it is visible. And these are all the different campaigns where I have did it. And let's do one thing where I quickly live a new campaign. I guess in this, yeah. So in this, let's start with an email, and let me just open an email. Yeah. So these are a few emails which I wrote. I'll just show you how an overall flow looks like. So what usually happens is we can do multi-touch attribution where someone can add email sequences. Consider someone starts with one email and then they go uh, like they obviously no one will reply on the first email. Then there'll be a follow-up email where we'll be talking. Do you see this? And also we'll say something new so that they don't feel like we are following them up. So that is there, and then obviously, then if they find this follow-up mail and that original mail valuable, then obviously they'll go forward. They'll try to understand what is there, and yeah, like usually it is more on the conversation side. How do you build the conversations? And obviously we can take it forward from there. I will quickly also share some slides which I had prepared. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, okay, yeah. Let's get started. So how Nishan talks to 300 clients simultaneously. This is a very Dululu statement. So it's just about building the right funnel to get to the right clients. And it's the sales for tomorrow. And skill is what all, and uh, just asking the right question to make them reply and make them relate to the problem. So that is what we do. And sales is like as I told, sales is all about building the spark to start a conversation. So maybe pressing the pain point, maybe showing them some emotional side of which they can relate to, or maybe something which is empathetic. So here is like how I do reach out, as I was talking about Clently and like Lemlist are help you do multi-channel attribution. Multi-channel touch points, and Lemlist, and we use Lemlist and Attio for like all the different types of things. And obviously, we are also exploring like different agentic flows for N10 and all. We'll talk about this in some later podcasts. So let's get started. So here is our first email, where basically I wanted to keep it like a short thing, uh, and then so I had wrote some mails. I will attach some emails over here, and yeah, and then okay, that's the first email. One thing it is there is whenever you are writing a mail and like you have images in that, what will happen is these images won't come when you just paste it over here. But so the problem with this is it has to be an HTML web page where it can directly download it from there. So what we do is we go to the image DB, where what it basically does is it converts all these images into s- like a HTML pages where it becomes a link. So I'll quickly show you that. I'll quickly take a snap of this image, and hope I can upload. Oh no, okay, save it. So let me save it in downloads. Okay, that's saved. Let's go to downloads. Let's upload this. Okay, so let's keep at the longest, and this is the free thing, so I don't know, we have to just take care of this. Don't do it auto delete. You would never know. Consider it is going for 1,000 people and in 50 people it stopped working, so it should not happen. Okay, so there are three different types of way. We will take HTML full link and then copy that, and then we'll remove this image and we'll go to the code view, and this, okay, one second, we'll click here, go to code view, and we'll paste, and we'll go back to the code view. So now we have got exactly what we wanted, and we'll just remove the excess slugs. Yeah. Okay, Grammarly is giving a lot of corrections. Okay, and then let's do it with this image as well. So doing this is very important, where what happens is a lot of the accounts, a lot of the reach outs would have problems in terms of like not getting image uploaded or like getting connected and all. So this is the best practice everyone should follow. Like this is what is done in mass email campaigns as well. So they would put it as a link, and then it would get loaded as soon as someone goes into the website. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, I upload for keep it for 6 months. Copy this image and paste it into Lemlist. Okay, let's then delete this, and we go to code view, paste, close the code view. Here is our image. So we got our images. What we can do is, yeah, we can keep this over here. Not create. personalization as first name. Okay, so you should add from here itself because it would be much better to keep it in the same what do you say, it would have certain these things given, so that would be easier for it to get connected. So we have finished this, then I set the sharp. Okay, let's keep the font same, 2014. Okay, now it's perfect. So ideally required end to end. Okay, meta server side. Okay, good. So now after this is done, what one can do is one can go into check the deliverables code. Remove this. Yeah, preview. So in preview you can check how it will come and all. You can also send it as a test mail. This is like a very important step. Everyone should do this because once you have this, okay, everything I suppose everything is working fine. Because I am not opening that again and again. Okay, next. I guess it should have been come. Okay, so you can check it in the phone view also over here itself, and then you can just understand. Okay, is it good enough or not? Yeah, I guess there is some issue with. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Let's put in the second mail. Yeah. So here we'll go into again back to our emails where I wrote it down, and this is a bump email where it is not having a subject line, and it will take the subject line which is already there in the previous email, and most probably it will come as a reply. Let's see. And then okay, I added this 20 minutes usual. Okay, top. Okay, perfect. So this is the second mail. Then you go a little more deeper immediately. This is two, and let's put the next mail after 3 days. Let's go back here. Okay, finish this all done. Okay, this is setup. This is day after. another pump mill. Next mail after 3 days. Copy the next hook. So now again there's some image which I would have to remove. Let's go zoom in. Copy this. Save it to downloads. Go back to go in again. Upload this 6 months. Once again, I'll be back. Okay, sorry. I got a quick call, and let's continue from there itself. I'll quickly share my screen. Okay, okay. So I was talking about this, and then we were setting up this funnel, and I had uploaded this. Okay, it got blocked. Let's do it one more time. Okay, the website got stuck. Okay, not auto delete 6 months. Okay. So as I was talking that this is like an essential step where HTML view is required when you're doing mass level campaigning. And I'll just remove this image. Goes to HTML. Also, this improves some level of quality of reaching out to people. So it's good in like overall terms. Uh, and Grammarly is behaving a little weird to do the automatic corrections. Oh yeah, okay. This link, yeah, to add this link. Let's go in this and then find that link. So basically, if you know, I mean, this whole sequence is revolving around one thing, which is like Meta's restriction, where we are helping a lot of our clients to navigate this Meta's restriction. Uh, if they are falling into core setup, or they are falling into full website, like full domain blocking and all, we would be able to help them navigate through this. So, okay, this is not required. I'm looking for that. Yeah, this one. So in this you can see they have mentioned clearly what are the 3 levels of restriction, and then I'll just add this link over here so that people can understand what I'm talking about. I will put this as URL and okay, so this is done. You fall under restriction 2. Okay, real time. Okay, done. This uh, so these variables are very important. So when someone has to send a mail which is personalized, at least their first name is there. So for that, the variable name should be accurate as per the Lemlist. So in this case, as they have recommended, is first name, where N is not capital. Yeah, as you can see here. So it's best to take help of this and then do it, rather than you doing it on random for your own. Okay, this is done. Then let's go to hook 3. Okay, and in this mail I won't not put a email address so that it comes as reply mail to this mail. So it will come as a thread, not threat. So okay, let's go into the fourth one where domain restricted by Meta. So I'll add one more mail, 3 days. Let's put it as domain level restricted, then copy the content, paste the content, zoom in on the content, copy this, and put it to downloads so that you can upload over here. So reset, go back, do the same, 6 months, okay, uploading. So yeah, I mean everyone would have got an understanding. So this is the first mail and this will go on the next day. Then after 3 days they'll go the second mail. So this is one hook, this is one hook, this is one hook, this is one hook, and every mail has a follow-up mail like this, and like now I'll add one more. It will be like a hook follow-up. So this is the bumpy mail, they call it bumpy mail. So or the follow-up email, whatever you like to say. I will add the personalization. I'll also add personalization here as well. Perfect. Let's delete this image. Let's get the link from here, copy and paste. Oh, okay. So we have to go into code view to see that image working. Perfect. And here's our image, perfectly aligned. And here we have to refer the same document. Okay. Okay, image is there. Follow-up is also there. Something was missing in this. Yeah, okay. The email link. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the next hook. Okay, what's our next hook? Now this is only text, so it's better and it's like quick. I don't have to put images and all, but I guess images would have a better conversion because they can see exactly what we are helping with. So okay, that is done. Second, let's add one moment. Bump image. This is like a short bump image. And it has to go in after 1 day, then one more, after 3 days. Now I am feeling sleepy, but it's good. That means I'm working. Then one more mail, bump emails for this mail. So this is the sixth hook. That means I've made a series of Very well. I guess the eighth one is the last one. Let's put the seventh one. Yeah. So I have added the seventh mail. Put seventh mail is hook, pump mail. Okay. So that is there. Let's also put. Okay, that is done. Go in it. Okay. Added this. 3 days. Email. Pump email. Let's put a breakup email. I'll send every context to this ChatGPT. Try break up after. ChatGPT, why are you so slow? Let's go to it faster. Faster. That is working okay. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let it get finished. Until then, I can show you a few things. Whereas something like oh, I'm having bad internet issue. Okay, speed test. Okay, speed is good. Okay, okay, leave it. So that's that. And then obviously we have leads and leads, and then if you press next, and it will automatically start pushing out all these. emails to the respective leads which we have put it in this already. So that's overall thing. And then obviously client plenty, we have to pull in some new accounts here. Yeah, to sign in. Anyways, maybe we can get started with this tomorrow, Cleanly. And but I mean, one advantage which is there with the Cleanly is it has power dialer, parallel dialers, and all. So what happens is when someone wants to do call to certain number of clients, he can do it with just the click of button where it will simultaneously call 5 people. And then if someone picks up the call, it will remove that people from that like it will disconnect with all other people and just continue with that one call. So that becomes like an advantageous thing, and then I want to give it a try. And also I'll be talking to one guy at Ripple where like those people have cracked our US outbound. So let's see how it goes. Perfect, then I guess that's it for the day. One advantage I saw in this is you can do categorization based on like city. I mean to say the time zones. So if you see Seattle Eastern time zone, uh, Pacific time zone, and all, everything is there in categories, and then like how many activities has to be done. So basically, this is like how many calls have to do. So this becomes like an advantageous things. We can kickstart this and then take more advantage of it. I guess that's it for the day. I am feeling a little sleepy. If anything, you guys have any doubts and all, you can comment over at below. And if you want to learn more, join with me on like a half one-on-one call. How do you set up this sales funnels and all? I can for sure guide you with all these instruments and all, and like how do you get more traction through this. Those are like the most important things. Like if you see over here, these are like inboxes where if someone replies to me, it will come over here. If it came through Lemlist and all. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video. Please comment if you have any doubts and like you are interested to go know more a little more on like how do you get more qualified leads, more sales lead, more demo books, more money coming in. Follow me for my journey and we can take it forward from there. Nice. Okay, guys, bye bye. Good night. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.